Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first open the hood, turn the vehicle off, and then here's your dipstick. This is going to show you your oil level. So you pull this all the way out, then wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, then stick it all the way back in, and then you pull it all the way back out again. And then there's two dots there if you can see them. The one towards the left is your full dot, and the one towards the right is your low dot. There's like a little grid pattern in the middle. Hopefully it's not zooming incorrectly there. But like I mentioned, you kind of want it towards the dot on the left. So let's assume you're low. Stick this all the way back in while the vehicle's still off. Then you'll remove this cap. Make sure you've got the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic conventional brand you've been using. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. But with this unscrewed, neither with the funnel or straight from your quart oil jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But once it's full, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I turn the motor on for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn the vehicle back off, and then redo that process in the very beginning and checking this dipstick, wiping it clean, and then pulling it back in and out to see if we're towards that full dot. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in place of your regular oil changes, which typically you put the vehicle on a lift of some sort so you can get to the oil pan underneath. You pull the plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the cap back on, and then fill with all the recommended oil and an oil change for your particular motor. Screw this back on nice and tight. And then again, start the motor for like 5 seconds, get the new oil circulated, turn it off, and then check this dipstick to see if we're at the full mark. And then yeah, if I'd said usually between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so for those, depending on type of oil and motor age and things like that. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.